Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com to plan product roadmaps. It's a complete 2025 guide that's simplified for you. Firstly, let's create a new board. Log into your Monday.com account and click on the plus symbol to create a new board. Now, this is your blank canvas where you'll outline your product's journey. Creating a dedicated board allows you to have a centralized place for your roadmap, making it easier to track progress and collaborate. Next up, let's add the various stages of the product development lifecycle. These might be idea, in progress, testing, and launched. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual representation of the different stages your product will go through. It helps the team understand where they are and what comes next in the process. Now that we've done that, it's time to add items to each stage. These items represent specific tasks or features of your product. By adding these items, you're breaking down your roadmap into manageable, actionable pieces. And remember, you can drag and drop these items as they move through different stages. Let me explain why this matters. Each item on your roadmap carries a task necessary for the completion of your product. By moving them across stages, you're effectively tracking the progress of your product development. Further to this, assign responsibilities. Each item should have a team member responsible for its completion. This helps us because it ensures accountability and maintains a clear line of who's doing what. Lastly, use the timeline or deadline feature to set a time frame for each item. Setting deadlines keeps everyone on track and helps prevent delays in your product development. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. With each deadline set, Monday.com sends reminders to the assigned team members, keeping everyone updated and on schedule. And there we have it. You've just planned a product roadmap on Monday.com. Quick, easy, efficient. Remember, a well-planned roadmap is a path to a successful product. Keep tracking, keep moving. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.